Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever, but you nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
I'm Bingy. Bingy, what you just say? Have you been drinking?
Susan, no nobody chat to me. It's the wrong man brother them fuck with.
Bingy, you're really twin for true. So, when since you become twin, we never hear you talk about that all these years. Me and your day, me never hear you talk about no twin. Where you do? Try prank me.
Yes, me and my brother no chat for years now. But I still my brother. That's my blood them fuck with.
Bingy, on a serious note now, man. Me never hear you talk about that brother there and your woman me love chat. Come on, Bingy, man. Bingy, talk to me. Come on. Me not understand what you talk about. Because when you see me, when you say that just one shock just run through my brain. Me no know. Because me no believe that keep something from that like that from me for years and we tour with there and live.
Well, me and no chat because he fuck my best girl when me I go school. The one girl when me love. And him know me check for that girl differently and Peter still fuck her. Even if the girl a push the pussy on him should have said no and tell me. So me cut him half and tell him never to chat or call my brother again.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Me no feel good. Oh, God. Me no feel good. Me a piece of belly pain just dip on me. God, it come like say me have diarrhea. Oh, God, Jesus Christ. Bingy, hold on there. Me I go make some tea. Me just not feel good. No, me just suddenly not feel good.
Hello, Jane. How life? Me can't hear from you turn town girl.
Chairman, you know I go with newborn baby. Then keep you up all night. But not that me call you about. So Anky Panky a go another yard there.
What you mean by Anky Panky?
Listen here. This woman on my work for claims that she just have baby. Becky, a long time me I take care of baby. This woman not just have no baby.
So what you a say? As somebody else baby you a look after?
Me know that baby is not hers and she have a fool man. When no sister the woman a trick him. But me want know who for baby Susie thief. Me watch all of the news stations. As me hear about any missing baby, me a call the police.
Jane, you better leave people business alone and mind them kill you. Remember town people them and them no ramp.
Kill me? After me not make nobody know what me up to. Me a fuck up that wicked girl there. Was she so bossy? But she want a foreign man? Me a go do everything to ensure Romain knows say I no fit him baby and that Susie a fraud.
Wagwana, I didn't call earlier to make the appointment for 10 o'clock. So how much it'll cost for the tattoo?
Depends on what you want and how big you want it.
It's a little cover up me want, man. I know nothing big. I just one little thing, one little spot me I try. Cover up or me I try turn it into something different.
What you covering up and where is it?
Oh, it's not me, man. I'm a baby. It's a one little birthmark. Me want you either cover it up or change the shape into something totally different.
Why you want to put your baby through so much pain for a birthmark?
Me just not like it. I mean, no want that the birthmark upon me baby. And him father not like it either. Him send me, him a stress me, say me need to go either cover it up or change it into something else. Me not really like it, so me I spend my money, so if you do it, you do it. You know, just...
Like you're a child, but that's a painful procedure for a baby.
So all he do, I just do it fast. Me give him 2 pill. Me give him 2 pill already, so the pain I gonna be less. So just do it fast. Cause I say I want like a spot and nothing we have to go spend no hour and try I cover one like a spot. So just do it fast and done.
Alright, man, put him in so. Wickedness is still, but your choice.
Sir, you know, say from the time me come in here, you could have do this and done already. Time you did that chat, like seriously, you act as if I beg you to do something. I pay you, you know. So just come and get it on with, man.
Alright, me swallow him down.
Susie, why is he screaming like that? Let me hold him.
Just had a little accident from me, and I had to take him to the doctor. Him soon calm down. Him get couple pill, so him soon calm down, man.
What do you mean a little accident? Is that a bandage on his hand?
And me didn't make him a bottle, and me not throw the warm water out of the thermos. And because him in that scream and me didn't have him in a one of my hand while me I do it, little of the water catch him pan it and I burn him.
Susie, how could you be so careless? How could you burn our baby? Why didn't you tell me?
Roman, I don't like a spite. Me didn't do it fine. Me don't know why you rough me up, son. Jesus Christ. Me just feel stressed. Nobody don't understand me. I go through. Me feel like me I go through postmortem depression. Me just tired of everybody I take said by me.
Oh my God, Susie. Why didn't you tell me? I am here for you. We're in this together. I am sorry, baby.
I mean, I am so stressed. I'm so stressed. And I'm so tired. I may have Natasha's situation I deal with and it just bother me.
You need to tell me about that. What's going on with Natasha?
Hold on a second there, Romain. Hello?
Hello, am I speaking to Susie?
Yes, this is she. Who am I speaking to, please?
This is Sergeant Thomas. You need to come down to the Crossroad Police Station.
Wait, say, why should I do that, sir?
You are wanted for questioning, ma'am.
Questioning? What kind of questioning, sir? I did not do anything wrong at all. From me know myself, me not trouble people, me not do nothing wrong. So, why would I be needed for questioning, sir?
Just get down here, ma'am. We can't do this over the phone. And, ma'am, please bring all the travel documents with you.
Who was that? Why do you look so worried, Susie?
No, it's nothing, Romain. Me just have to go up on the road. Me have to go run some errands for Natasha. So me soon come back. When me come back, me tell you about the Natasha situation. I could have what is to bombo clad. Them catch me now.
Yes, Susie.
Bingy, did anybody come to the house today?
No, I hope you come here. Me not see nobody.
Oh, because me didn't tell one grill man if you can look on the grill. Come here, I think so me I got change that grill there, so me just not check if anybody come at the house. So you not hearing nothing about your brother. The police them have any lead or they think of anybody we might have killed him. You hear anything? Nothing.
What kind of ras police you are talking about? Me and my dog them are do where own investigation. You ever see police solve crime in Jamaica? Yes, so one girl visit him at the hospital. Me link them say, them I will get me a picture at the beach.
But Binky, what if one woman go look for your brother at the hospital? What does that have to do within death? Me not understand.
Most man will get them dead. And some girls set it up. So later, me hungry for blood.
Binky, brother, me kill. Jesus Christ, me kill me brother-in-law.
Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the evening news. My name is Kimberly Kelly. We start off with the sad story of another baby abduction. It has been reported that a 1-year-old baby boy was abducted from his home in Kingston a few days ago. The baby boy mother, Natasha Gray, said she went outside to collect dinner from a taxi man. Upon her return, there was no sight of her baby boy. The distressed mother is now on suicidal watch at the Kingston Public Hospital.
Ross, I wonder if this baby the news I talk about. Yes, Susie, you just get fucked.